Black & Decker, Tempur Sealy, Samsung Electronics, all household names, right? Also, all industries that have partnered with WKU for important research on their products.
This actually charges up. Getting that accurate and getting it a consistent reading, that was the hard part of the project.
Senior Timmy Goodwin is one of 19 undergraduates who are conducting research at the Center for Energy Systems.
There's so many different things I can go into with EE, with electrical engineering, and helping me see different projects and see what I like, see what I don't like, has been super helpful.
Since opening in 2012, the Center for Energy Systems Lab has provided students with applied research directly impacting critical industrial projects.
One of the best projects that we did is a project that we did for Tempur Sealy. We built an artificial human head, which mimics the exact temperature and water evaporation of your head.
The students even get the experience of presenting their findings at high-level meetings.
That experience of like industrial contact, especially with higher ups in a company, it's something that I would never get from just a regular education.
The way the lab focuses 100% on undergraduates is a fact that's not lost on the students who spend their time here.
The skills that they provide, like the mentorship, they're always willing to help students out and train them. And so I'm just constantly learning from them, like every single day.
Your engineering education cannot be more realistic. That is what is happening here.
A ceremony celebrating the expansion of the Center for Energy Systems Lab will be held next Wednesday, April 17th at 4 p.m. in room 1115 of College High Hall. More about the lab can be found at wku.edu/CES. With this week's View from the Hill, I'm Amy Bingham.